Make a great choice today with the 2017 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, air conditioning, dual airbags, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.